Hi guys, how are you? You're good? I'm also good. um, Thanks so much, my subscribers. But Naga, thank you so much for showing me a great love. You're really great. You're great. You're great, great, great. I don't know how to thank you guys, but thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for supporting me. You have really supported me. I thank you for that great work. After coming my inbox, Fifi, you no longer post a video, Fifi. Oh guys, I was busy. I never had time to post a video. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, please support me, support the housemates in Saudi Arabia. Please support us, support the housemates in Saudi Arabia. Today I don't have a lot to share with you, but I want to share with you how I prepared my lunch. But do you know what? After preparing my lunch, I never even tasted it. All of it was taken by my boss. I couldn't even tasted what I prepared. Can you believe? Can you believe that nugget? Anyway, that is wild. Anyway, let me share with you what I prepared today, how I prepared the chicken. Anyway, I love you so much. I love you. Thanks for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because you're missing a lot. Let me share. Hey guys, this is how I prepared the chicken. That is my friend. She's from Indonesia. She's cutting it, but it was so hard. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support the work of the maids in Saudi Arabia. This is how we do our work. The chicken was so hard, full of ice. Oh my God. Yeah, it was so hard to break it. Wow. Yeah. So that is the vegetables we are trying to wash. Can you believe that in Saudi Arabia they eat it without to cook? They don't cook it, but they just eat it like that, just like that. Anyway, try it. It's so nice. Try it. Those are the vegetables we are trying to wash. Nolowooza nti balamu kumbe nga be basinga n'endwadde. I was the one in camera. That is eggplant. That is pepper. How do you call it? Filfil. Yeah, that is how I prepared the vegetables. It was so nice. It was so nice. Then I added water. Then we are going to add the chicken. Wow. That is the chicken we are going to put. That is the chicken we are going to put. Wow, that is our chicken. So after boiling some time, the chicken will be put in oven. Then that soup we pour rice.